Typically, the design experience has been super complex.
When we talk to clients and we show them different options in live design, we're really trying to meet their goals and what they want the space to do. So to see them enjoying the process is really, really exciting as a designer. Live design can be used in so many different ways.
Whether it's in a showroom, in a client's office, we can also do it remotely with teams across the country. So it makes the process so much faster and people have a much clearer understanding what they're actually getting.
Maybe they have a typical develop from the design firm. Maybe they're seeing something in the showroom that they really like, and we can use that as a starting point.
With a click of a button, the products can be modified or replaced.
We're talking about how deep is their work surface? Do they need more space? How much storage do they need? Screens in between them. Do you want them a little bit lower that they can collaborate with people around them? Or would you like them a little bit higher for them to do more focus work?
We can even show typicals and the space types around that so everybody understands the adjacencies.
With material selections in CET, it's so beneficial. Being able to show them and have those realistic materials on there, it really takes that guesswork out of it. The biggest benefit to live design is being able to make decisions so much faster than before.
Everyone can be in one meeting and in an hour come to decisions, which could have taken 40 hours or 120 emails going back and forth. Now we can have all those decisions made in a much shorter amount of time.
We're not just creating for our clients, but with our clients.